In this video we finally build our ALU. The focus is of course on the ALU operator and the 5 registers. The 3 input registers are ACC, B, and CY. The outputs are directly connected to the operator. We add a few more lamps for control. The operator outputs are connected to the bus input of the output registers. We also add some lamps to these to check. We now connect all open bus ports together. This circuit up here is used to simulate the data bus outside the ALU. Now we need the clock for the registers. Then we still need the control lines. The exact coding of the controller is not important here, but you can easily understand it using the circuit. The switches that control the control bus usually come from the instruction decoder. We will look at this unit in the future. Another circuit originates directly from the output of the ACC register. This shows whether the ACC has the value 0. This is needed in another unit that solves this equation. We'll also look at this unit in a later video. And let's play around with it a bit and see how you would calculate 6 plus 8. The 8 must first be loaded into the ACC. This can be done using various instructions and is not important here. At the end there is the value 6 on the data bus. Now this value is written into the ACC. This is where the actual ADD instruction begins. At the end there is the value 8 on the data bus. It will now be written to the B register. The addition is now requested via the command bus. Note that the operator is always active and the results change even if the operator is not needed. The actual command execution only takes place when the results are written into the sum and C registers. The correct result of 14 is now in the sum register and in the C register, which is deleted. Since the ADD command provides the result in the ACC and CY, we still have to write them there. That means, first we read the value from sum and write it to the bus. From here it is written to the ACC. The same thing now happens with the result in C, which is written to CY. The ADD instruction is now complete. You can now test further instructions in the same or a similar way. But we'll only do this in the next part. In this video we will now build the ALU component. We use this command line. As always, we will connect the bus externally again. The rest should be routine by now. Now let's try the operations from before again. Everything looks good up to this point. In the next video we'll look at which instructions we could now execute.